is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job these things are light. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor.
Hiya! So I'm just going to show you these basic little corner bookmarks. These are the really simple ones that just fit nicely over the corners of the pages, just so you can keep where you are. And they take not a lot of space up, depending on the size of the paper. Obviously depends how noticeable they are. I tend to use the smallest paper, but that's the middle one I'm showing you there, middle sized paper I have there, and I'm going to make it with the biggest paper so you can see the size difference between them all. But they're handy little bookmarks if you put them on correctly and not put them on several pages. See, so they just kind of sit around on the edge there and just keep it nice and neat, but I think they're cute. So I'm going to show you how to do them. So you see it's just a little envelope type fold in there you'll put in the corner in, so nice and simple. So we'll just grab it. I'm going to work on the bigger sheet because it's easier for you to see. So it's just thing, but obviously you can make them on smaller ones. It's all the same steps, it's just different sizes. I'm just switching because I felt like doing a different colour. So we're going to create a crease on the diagonal down the centre there. So we're taking one corner up to the other corner, and using my bone folder just creates a nice good crease. But it's nice and simple, just folding in half on the diagonal. And then what we're going to do is take one of those points and down along the centre so that you're folding the corners in. So make sure the flap of the open is at the bottom, and then just repeat the process on both sides. Take one point of the corner down to the centre point corner. So it's now just folding. It's in a diamond or a square. But now we're just going to fold that point back up. So you're basically folding that flap in half now. So it's the tip is meeting up at the top of the diamond, and you're folding along the centre line of those two flaps now. Now take one layer of the paper, just the one, make sure you leave the other one down, and then just fold that up along that centre line as well. This is just to give a crease for when we fold it in a second. So what you're going to do is open up the little pocket that you've created, and you're going to fold that piece that we've just folded up down into it. So you kind of want to roll it down in so that it just fits along that line, that crease we just folded into it. It's just the fold is so that you can see where you want to tuck it down into so that it's down nice and neatly. It can be a little fiddly, so just give it a little squish, roll it on down, and then make sure you've got a good crease in there to hold it in place. And we're basically going to do the same thing with these flaps. We're just going to tuck them in down into that little pocket. So just give it a good little push down and roll it down to make sure it's nice and along that crease line we've created. And give it an extra little fold just to make sure that it's down nice and tight. Make sure the corners are right up and nice and flat. You don't want any paper sticking up and doubling over, because that means the paper will sit nice and smoothly in when you do it. But that's it basically. That is the folded little corner origami bookmark. So it just sits in nicely. So really nice, quick and simple, and you can do them in multiple different sizes depending on the size of the book and what you like. So hope that was helpful. See you soon. Bye.